Welcome back, you guys. How's it going? Reppin' Farmasi today. Got the hat in my new order here. I grabbed a few more things. Like I said, each order I try to grab a few new things to show you guys and to try out. I've been loving everything, you guys. So without further ado, Asher's was trying to get my stuff. So I wanted to put this stuff out here. I got it in my last order, the B-Fit, but I also grabbed a few more of the B-Fit line. Yeah, that's why I wanted to have my B-Fit stuff out here, because I just want to show you I'm adding a few more things to the B-Fit collection that I ordered. Since we're talking about the B-Fit, I'll start with those two things. These are the face and body wet wipes. They're safe for everyday use. They are pH balanced and they have a chamomile extract. Oh, they smell really nice and like fresh. This is for like, say if you're like really running short on time and you go to the gym, say you just really don't have time to like take a quick shower before work or whatever. It's just supposed to help like freshen up, and like it says, they're face and body wipes. So I'll let you know how I like them. This is what I was really excited about. So I had been seeing all this stuff about the color correcting powder from the B-Fit line. Again, all of the makeup in the B-Fit line is sweat proof and waterproof. This is what the front of it looks like here. Okay. All right, so when you open it up, look how crazy this looks. It's like all like pastel colors. The reason being for it being all these marbled like purple, yellow, pink, green, all of these marbled colors together, that's why it's called a color correcting powder, because it's going to counteract all like any unwanted yellow tones or red tones or like dark circles, that type thing. I haven't personally tried it yet. So when you like put it on your finger here, no, please be careful. It just looks like almost like a transparent type powder. It's on my middle finger right there. So it doesn't look like pastel-y when you when you actually put it on. So I'm excited to use that and give you guys a review on that one. I won't spend too much time on this. These are the makeup wipes. I've ordered these before, and these are just kind of basically refilling because I'm almost out of them. But I use these for taking my makeup off before I use like my face wash and lotion and all that, and it just kind of helps get the makeup off a little bit easier than scrubbing with a rag. Of course, another eyeliner and another lip color. I'm obsessed, you guys. The matte liquid lipsticks, I'm so in love with them. I have the color Brave on today with no lip liner. I'm obsessed with the matte liquid lipsticks because they stay on all day and it feels like I don't have anything on my lips, which I love. This one, I wanted to get a really light colored one because I ombre my lips a lot. So this one is called Skin. And so it's just like basically a really nice light color that you can put like in the middle of your lips to ombre and make your lips look fuller. I will let that dry. I've never been one to use white eyeliner. I mainly got it just for like my waterline to use on that. And this is the Express waterproof eyeliners. It's very pigmented, which is awesome. Because normally any other like white eyeliner that I've tried, I feel like is kind of almost like translucent and it doesn't give me like a solid white color. So that's really nice that it's that pigmented. The makeup brushes. I'm super excited because for one, they're animal print. I mean, come on you guys. Yes, I know we're gonna show them. So I was a little skeptical just because pictures online, for some reason, the brushes didn't look like they would be very soft. They looked like they would be kind of almost like rough feeling. But I was pleasantly surprised when I pulled them out of the packaging. You guys, they're like really, really soft. I'm pretty sure they're softer than the brushes I have right now. As you can see, like it's not shedding or anything like that. It comes with this nice little case that matches the handles. Yeah, so that's super important. You want to make sure that your brushes don't shed bristles. I feel like the brand isn't very good if the bristles are shedding, because then they're going to come off when you're doing your makeup and then you get these little hairs in your makeup and it's just not good. Here is a foundation brush. I haven't used any of these yet. I'm just unpackaging these now. So that one's a little bit flatter. Still really, really soft bristles. None of them are coming out as I'm kind of going through them here. And then this one is a really soft eyeshadow, kind of a compact one, but it's still nice and like light and fluffy on the ends here. You guys, the handles are so fun. I love the animal print. Okay, and then this one is another flat angled brush. So I would use this for my eyebrow pomade, doing my eyebrows. So you can never have enough eyebrow brushes, in my opinion. Last but not least, so this one I did already get out and I tried to use some of it. So I just want to kind of give you guys a little like heads up. This is one of their massage gels, but this is actually, I believe they said the #2 selling product in our company, which I thought was kind of crazy because I was like, well, what? It's just a massage gel. What is it? So I guess women and men have been using it for toning and tightening purposes. So I've seen some crazy before and after pictures of this stuff, you guys, like of ladies that have had babies and then they use it on their stomach and it like helps tone and tighten the skin. Like, it's crazy. Like, look up some of the before and after pictures of this. It is like a reddish colored gel. Okay, so this is the paprika and chili. This is the one that's supposed to be for toning and tightening. So #2 seller in the company, kind of crazy. So I wanted to order some and try some for myself. The other night, the first time using it, I had just taken like a really hot shower and I just really wanted to feel refreshed and everything. So I just like took a really hot shower and then I get out and my skin was hot. So then I put this like on like around my torso, midsection, and like legs and the back of my arms and stuff. And holy moly, you guys, I was freezing for like 30 minutes straight. So basically my review on this, don't use this straight out of a hot shower. You will be freezing cold. I was like blow drying my hair and my body at the same time because I was freezing. But I have been using it not like straight out of a hot shower the past few days. And I really like the kind of the menthol-y feel on your skin. It's kind of like an icy hot. So it's got menthol and peppermint oil in it, and that's kind of what's giving it that like really like zing feeling when you put it on your skin. Like I said, I've only been using it for a few days, so I'll give you guys a review of how I'm liking it after I've been using it for longer, see if I notice any like results or anything with it. So it's worth a try. Even if you just use it for a massage gel, it does have a really, really nice cooling feeling. So, yeah. Well, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys are liking all of these reviews on all of the products and everything. Obviously, these are just initial reactions, most of them. Appreciate you guys all tuning in. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget that. I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Have a great day, guys.